Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create transparent logo using PixelLab. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my PixelLab application, and since we want to create transparent logo, I'm going to add transparent background to my project. We can go to this menu and select transparent. Okay, and to create my logo, I'm going to use sticker. I'm going to go to this menu and then choose sticker, and you can choose the sticker that you like. For example, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger like this. Okay, and I'm going to add text to my logo. I'm going to double tap on the text box, and then I'm just going to type in Star City. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to curve it. I'm just going to go to the text menu and select the curve. Okay, it will be better like this, and I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to go to the style, select bold, and I'm going to change the color as well. Go to the color, and I'm going to select yellow. Okay, and you can customize the logo according to your needs, and this is just for an example, so it's not that good. And once you're ready to save your logo, you can click on the save button and then select save as image, and I'm going to click on save to gallery. Okay, now the logo has been saved, and I'm going to go to my gallery and then check the result. Okay, this is the logo I have just created with PixelLab. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create transparent logo in PixelLab application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.